Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Ed. In this video, I will guide you through how to log into Freedom24 account. For that, first of all, open any browser you have on your device. For now, I am using Chrome. Then on the address bar, search for freedom24.com. Once you land on the official website, on the top right, you will see Sign In button. Simply select that. Here, you will see two options to log into your account. You can either use email or SMS to log into your account. While using SMS, you just have to enter your phone number and hit on Continue button. For now, we are using email option. Here you have to enter your email address, then enter your password. If you want to keep logging in this website, then simply toggle on that button. Once you enter all of the information correctly, at last tap on Sign In button to log into your account. And that was it. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.